I forgot the leaf blower, so hoping that next week I'll be able to do this. And then I'll cover the furniture here too, probably put out the Christmas lights. I might cover the vases, the ceramic ones. The other ones are okay, they're plastic, but these vases need to be protected. So glad I got this boat up. I'm just concerned that wind is going to get underneath the boat and then flip it over. So I want to get a rope and either tie it off to this tree here, or even that one there. I think I can do it to this tree. I just need another rope to attach to this. Maybe even that big rope with the anchor on it. I just need to get it around that tree a few times. I don't think I'll be able to set up the camera, but I'll just put you down. It's no biggie, but it should keep it still. I just don't want it to go anywhere beyond that, like in the water or on the ice. So I can't move this boat at all, like even to lift it up. She's heavy. Oh, that little shutter is open over there on the playhouse. I hope that was the wind. Oh my goodness, look at all the mushrooms here. Whoa. trying to put it here because of the heat. That's just looking at the warm air right here. Not sure I want to try that. Come on. So it's probably going to need 3 coats in order to cover that yucky yellow backing. It's not backing, that's the way it was then, I guess. So this here, I'm going to try and widen this doorway. I just have to see in there whether I can move this 2x4 in. Another 4 inches I would like, because this is like 22 inches wide, this doorway, which means I cannot get a washing machine in there or anything like that. So by doing that, I think it's 24 I should say. It's 24. So I'd like to, I don't know why they didn't do it all the way over here. I think they may have initially and then decided against it, because if they had done that, this thing would have been against the wall there. And that's what they should have done, was just have a nice clear corner here. Just completely chop that off and nice clear in there. But I guess they want it to complement the frame, the door frame on this side. But they could have done the same thing with this, or they could have brought this out another 4 inches. So take those 4 inches and put it here so that this door could open back against here as it should. I still have to fill all the holes along there. That wall here was butchered in certain places, like up there for sure, and over there. So it's going to require quite a bit. I don't know if I'm going to be able to reach that corner. But in a couple of weeks, the shiplap is going to get painted, I'm hoping. And that's assuming, of course, that we can still come in. So over here, there's not going to be a lot of like plastering. This will eventually come off. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to try cutting the pieces for here and for those 3 actually there and around the plug. I have to trim. So I will try to cut that. I've got the tile cutter here. Good morning. So I don't know if you can see, but I woke up to this. So there's, I saw a beaver out on the lake, just coming across. That's probably the one that snipped both of our trees. Well, saplings. Well, one is not a sapling, it's been there for a while. Yeah. So this is not a good thing for me. It's just rain showers, so it'll go away. But we're calling for a few of these throughout the week. Oh, there's two swans out on the lake. Oh, I can't really see it from here. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, it's quite busy. Saw a beaver, saw a duck, two swans in a matter of 5 minutes, and it's snowing. Well, rain showers.